Thank you very much. This is a very useful adapter that I carry with me all the time. And this plug here is made almost exclusively for RVs and other traders. They got such a nice view here and even have a picnic table. How nice! So the way I find free level 2 chargers is by going to PlugShare. Usually I just tap on every locations and specifically look for the one that has free charging, cost is free, and parking is free as well. The hours here is showing open 27. 4-hour charging limit, but it is a Sunday today. I don't think anyone will be here. The visitor center is also closed, and I'm just gonna plug it in for the night, bring down the seats and sleep in.